Hey guys, today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then keep watching. So I have everything pulled up on my phone. If I remember correctly, the choices for this box weren't amazing, and I did get an add-on. Here's everything that's inside. First up, we have this Farrah highlighter. Boxycharm chose this for me. I have never heard of this brand, but it does look like a pretty highlight. Ooh, that's very, very pretty. It's like a really pearly kind of highlight. Second item that Boxycharm by Ipsy chose for me is this Feel Beauty Probiotic Moisturizer. So this will protect the skin, reduce fine lines, and increase skin elasticity. Sounds pretty good. My first pick was the Yensa Beauty Luxe Lip Oil in the shade Pink Shine. Did I need another lip oil? No, but I love lip oils, so let's try this on. It smells like strawberries. In person, it's a little bit more of a pinky tint. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but I like it. I kind of didn't really care about my choices this month because April is my birthday month, so I was like, it's a gift to myself, so that's why I don't really care that I got another lippy. My next pick was this Gold Faden MD Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. I know I've gotten Gold Faden MD products before. I can't remember if I've tried anything, but I also don't really ever have a lot of eye creams, so this is always good for my skincare stash. And my last pick was this Smooth Beauty Calm Me Down Antioxidant Cleanser. I chose this because I never heard of the brand before, and the packaging is really pretty. Kind of reminds me of like cotton candy. So I'm really weird with cleansers. I like to keep a cleanser in my shower and then one by my sink. So when I'm almost done with the one in the shower, I'm gonna switch the one from my sink to into the shower, and then I'm gonna use the new one. I just really like to double cleanse at night. For my beauty boost, we got the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. I was not thrilled about this box, but I did not know we were getting this, so I'm excited to try this out. In the advent calendar, we did get the mini indigo cleansing balm, so to have the overnight repair cream, very, very excited to try this out. And this is expensive. It's $92. And for my add-on, I got the Kim Chi Chic Beauty Spinning Hearts Love palette in Partner in Crime. Okay, so this palette is right up my alley, and I thought it was going to be like more olivey green tones, because this picture to me looks a little more olivey and green tone. Oh my god, this is so right up my alley with the neutrals and the bronzies. I cannot wait to use this. I also love the packaging. It totally reminds me of like Polly Pocket. It's so cute. And that was it for my April Boxycharm by Ipsy. It was much better than I thought it was going to be. I'm really excited to try out this Farrah highlighter, this Tatcha Overnight Repair Cream, and of course the add-on that I chose, the Kimchi palette. If you get Boxycharm by Ipsy, tell me what you got in your box. Do we get any of the same products? Different? I would love to hear what you got. And that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!